this tutorial on how to use the Revolve feature in Fusion 360. So in the next few minutes, we're going to transform a simple wine glass into 2D or from 2D sketch into a 3D model using the Revolve feature. To start with, let's create a new sketch. So for creating a new sketch, you should select this icon, Create Sketch, under the Create tab. And for this example, I'm going to use the X and Z plane. So I will use a line tool here to create the profile of our wine glass. So first, I will make a 100 millimeter vertical line, and it is constrained vertically. And let me draw the mouth of the wine glass for a while, like this one. And let's make adjustment like that. And let's constrain all of the remaining unconstrained sketch. So for this line, it should be, I think, 20. This one should be 5 mm. So in Fusion 360, if we're going to use a revolve function or revolve features, we only need to draw uh, half of the cross section of our design. And let's constrain this. Yes, on 12. And I think we should also constrain this. Mm. And the only unconstrained sketch is this curve, which is, let's make it 35 mm. As you can see here, now our all of our sketch is colored black, which signifies that it's fully constrained. So I will use offset tool to offset this line and this line and offset this for about 2 mm and use line tool to close this. Okay, so if I'm going to select this, you can see the cross-sectional half or half cross-section of our wine glass, and then finish the sketch. And then I will going to use the revolve feature, which is here, and select the profile. And using the revolve feature, it will ask you to select the axis of rotation. In this case, our axis of rotation is this line, or you can also select the Z axis. So let's choose this line since it's already given. And now, as you can see, the profile revolve around the axis. You can choose different type of revolutions here or different type of revolve here as just like partial to object or full. So if you want full rotation, so just choose the full rotation. But if you need a partial rotation, for example, I need only 270 degrees. And so as you can see here, it only revolves 270 degrees. So for this example, let's use full rotation. So as you can see here, we already made our wine glass. So let's make it more realistic by using a fillet picture to this side and to this edge. make about 0.5 mm so that it's smoothen. Another fillet picture here, about 5 mm. And lastly is another fillet picture here, about 1 mm. Okay, now this the finished design for a wine glass. Maybe I should apply some appearance. Since it's a wine glass, it should be made by glass. So I will choose the glass material here and apply. I think this one fits to the design. So this color black, you can adjust the color here. So since my background is color white, you can barely see the wine glass. So that's it. That's how to use the Revolve feature and also a fillet feature in Fusion 360. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.